Understanding, in layman's terms, simplifying complex ideas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you've probably heard before, in layman's terms. This phrase is a key to unlocking complex ideas and making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. So, let's break it down together and discover how to use it effectively in our daily conversations. In layman's terms, is a phrase we use when we want to explain something complex or technical in a simple way that anyone can understand, without needing specialized knowledge or expertise. It's like translating a complicated scientific theory into everyday language that your friend, who isn't a scientist, could easily grasp. The word, layman, refers to a person who is not an expert in the specific field being discussed. So, when we say, in layman's terms, we're essentially saying, in non-expert terms. Using in layman's terms is crucial because it bridges the gap between experts and non-experts. It ensures that knowledge is accessible to a wider audience, promoting understanding and learning. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone curious about learning new things, being able to simplify complex concepts is a valuable skill. This approach also fosters more inclusive conversations. By removing the barrier of technical jargon, we allow more people to participate in discussions, share their thoughts, and ask questions without feeling intimidated. 1. Identify your audience. Understand who you are speaking to and what their level of knowledge is on the topic. 2. Simplify the concept. Break down the complex idea into its most basic parts. Think about how you would explain it to a child or someone with no background in the subject. 3. Use analogies and examples. Relate the concept to everyday experiences or familiar situations. Analogies are a powerful tool to make complex ideas more relatable. 4. Avoid jargon. Replace technical terms with common words. If you must use specific terminology, make sure to define it in simple terms. 5. Check for understanding. Ask your audience if they follow or need further clarification. This ensures that your explanation is effective. And there you have it, in layman's terms, demystified. We hope this video has illuminated how you can make complex ideas more accessible and engaging for everyone. Remember, the goal is to share knowledge in a way that is understandable, not to oversimplify or diminish its value. Keep practicing this skill, and you'll find that it not only helps others learn but also deepens your own understanding of the topics you discuss. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.